Welcome to the Mastercam 2021 Mill Essentials video training series tutorial number 7. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up and modify a vise. We will open the file containing the vise geometry. We will modify the jaws using the push-pull command. We will move the movable jaw using the dynamic command. We will merge the part using the geometry created in tutorial 2. We will remove the part history from tutorial 2's geometry. We will remove the part cutouts using the modify feature command. We will align the part from tutorial 2 in the vise. We will make a copy of the solid part. We will use Boolean remove to remove the solid from the jaws. Finally, we will move the vise geometry to a different level. First, we will open the vise geometry. Select File Open. Navigate to the location where you saved the training files. Select the file vise.mcam and press Open. Then, select Save As. And save the file with a different name. Select Model Prep. Then select Push-Pull. The Push-Pull command allows you to extend bosses or produce cuts based on selected faces, features, or surfaces. Push-Pull can be used to create solid bodies from open, closed, and nested wireframe geometry as well as sheet bodies. You can also use Push-Pull to create fillets from edges or remove fillets. Zoom in on this area of the vise. Select this face. Drag the arrow up and pick the endpoint of this edge. Then press OK and create new operation. Select this face. Drag the arrow out and then type in 0.5 and press Enter twice. Press OK and create new operation. Zoom out and then rotate the part so you can see this side of the vise. Zoom in, select this face, drag the arrow up, and select this endpoint. Then press OK and create new operation. Select this face, drag the arrow out, and enter 0.5 and press Enter twice. Then press OK to exit the command. Select Transform, and then select Dynamic. Select the movable jaw. Then press End Selection. Position the gnomon at this corner. Move your mouse over the Y-axis arrow until the ruler appears. Then type in 4.5 and press Enter. Then press Enter again. Press OK to exit the command. Right-click in the graphics window and select Clear Colors. Then save your file. Click on File and select Merge. Select the geometry you created for tutorial number 2 and press Open. Right-click in the graphics window and select Fit to Screen. Then zoom in on this area of the part. Select Model Prep. Then select Remove History. Select this solid and press End Selection. Open the Solids Manager and expand this solid and click on Body. Select Modify Feature. Zoom in and double-click on this face. Then double-click on this face and this one. Change the operation type to Remove. Then press OK to exit the command. We had to remove the cutouts from the solid because it can interfere with the Boolean remove command that we will run shortly. Select Transform, and then select Dynamic. Change your view to top. Drag a window around the imported geometry and click. Then press End Selection. Change your view to isometric and place the gnomon at this endpoint. Make sure the method is set to move and the type is set to single. Return your view to top. Hover your mouse cursor above the arrow for the x-axis until the ruler appears. Then type in 5.75 and press Enter twice. Hover your mouse over the y-axis until the ruler appears. Enter the value as 0.25 and press Enter twice. Change your view to right. We need to ensure there is some clearance between the part and the jaws, so we will move the part up in the z-axis. Hover your mouse over the z-axis until the ruler appears. Then enter the distance as 0.025 and press Enter. Then press Enter again. Now that the part has been properly positioned in the vise, press OK to exit the command. Return your view to isometric. Next, we will copy the solid. We need to use the Boolean remove command twice to be able to cut both jaws with the solid part. This is why we need a copy of the solid body. Select the solid. Then right-click on it and select Duplicate Solid. Select Solids. The solid Boolean command allows you to construct a solid from combinations of two or more existing solids. You can merge solids, remove solids from one another, or find the common region of overlapping solids. In this step, we will use the solid Boolean command to remove the part of the solid from the jaws. Select Boolean. Select the fixed jaw as the target body. Change the type to Remove. Then click on Add Selection under Tool Bodies. Select the solid part. Then press OK. Then press OK and create new operation. Select the movable jaw as the target body. Click on Add Selection for Tool Bodies and select the solid. Then press OK. Make sure the type is set to Remove, then press OK to exit the command. Click on Select All Wireframe Entities. Then press Delete on your keyboard. Next, select the Levels Manager. Press Ctrl-A on your keyboard to select all entities. Return to the Home tab and click on Change Level. Disable Use Active Level and set the level number to 1000. Change the name to Soft Jaw Vise. Then press OK. Then save your file. This concludes the Mastercam 2021 MilEssentials video training series tutorial number 7. At this point, you can move on to the final exercise.